What's up, YouTube? Show BS Life here. Another video of my truck, how it's doing. I haven't been driving it for a while. I got a big mess here. And, anyway, the reason why I haven't been driving this truck, though, for lack of better words, is because, well, currently, it's a piece of shit. Yeah. Freaking thing's falling apart. See that shit? Anyway. Paint's chipping. I mean, shit. Look at that. I'm gonna have to freaking repaint this truck in some spots here. Hood's definitely gonna need a full repainting. Still need a new mirror over here. I found out the reason this doesn't fit right. I believe it's an Expedition mirror. So, yeah. An Expedition mirror is not meant for a Super Cab 97 F-150. It should be on either an Expedition or a 2003 Heritage Edition Super Crew cab. And still got it mangling up here in the bed or in the fender there. XLT like my last one. Same truck, just 2 years newer. Here's something new I got. I have Raptor lights on the front. LEDs. So instead of chicken lights, Raptor lights. Here's no BS coming. 7.3 Power Stroke. Not bad. Here's an issue I've already ran into with this truck. That's